If you are looking for a multifunctional skincare product, we've got you covered. These are our blemish clearing drops. These drops are amazing. You can use them in 3 different ways. First one being a direct spot treatment. All you need is a couple of drops and then you just want to apply it directly to your blemishes. Next, you can use it to infuse your makeup. If you want those skincare benefits and you want to be proactive in the day when you're wearing makeup, you need these drops. All you need is 3 drops, mix it into your foundation, and your skin is going to glow. The drops are super lightweight and will not compromise on the color or the function of the foundation. Number 3 is you can use the drops as a backne treatment. If you do struggle with acne on your shoulders or your back, you can use the drops as a backne treatment. It's super simple to do this. All you need to do is mix 3 drops into your daily moisturiser and apply it to your back. And of course, guys, they are travel friendly because of the size. You do not need to decant your product.